I don't know about you, but one of my favorite things to do is to go grocery shopping. I know a lot of people order nowadays, but to me, it's my kind of therapy because I have my own things that I like, that I don't like, which I think if you order, some people, like the buyers, can just replace things, and it might be things that I don't like. But also, I really like the whole process of shopping and choosing. So in my family, I'm the one responsible to do the grocery shopping, and because I really actually do enjoy it. And so I thought I'd film this video to show my process of how I choose things, because I think I have my own little hacks and tips and things that my values are, like when it comes to food and ingredients. And yeah, so come grocery shopping with me. Well, let's get started. So today I'll just show you my go-to things that I like to pick up, my go-to snacks, and I actually do need to pick up some few things for home. So let's go. We're filming today in Carrefour, which is my go-to supermarket, and I know it's mostly in Europe. I think Carrefour is everywhere. And yeah, here I usually buy my favorite protein bars, and I'm actually going for a trip, so I need to stock up. So stock up, and this is my favorite flavor. Anything chocolate peanut butter has to be my fave. And my things when it comes to choosing products is the less ingredients, the better. So you have to understand everything. So I always read the labels. I'm a huge chocolate lover. Chocolate, I love dark chocolate mostly. And here, Velour, this is my favorite chocolate of all time. I actually have one at home, but I just want to show you because this is actually Spanish chocolate. This is sugar-free, but this tastes delicious. Like, I haven't tried any better chocolate than this. Talking of more chocolate, this is one of my favorite just to have in my bag all the time. And talking about ingredients, the less is better. This literally only has cocoa beans, coconut sugar, cacao butter, and vanilla. That's it, just 4 ingredients. One of my favorites as well. Also 70% dark chocolate. The thing I love about Poland, and I discovered here, there's a whole section of lactose-free items. I personally am not lactose-free. However, if you didn't know, lactose-free items have less sugar content. So it's only the addition of lactase that they add to lactose-containing products that eliminates the lactose itself. So why not eliminate sugar when you can? So that's why I opt for lactose-free milk here, but I'm not lactose-free. I still eat cheese and all that. But just a good thing to know. Another thing I always do, I never buy anything low fat. I usually go for just as it is full fat, because low fat usually has more sugar, more other compromises that they compromise the fat. So I usually go for full fat. And one more hack for you, when you're picking, especially the dairy aisle, go for the things in the back because they are going to be freshest, because they push things that have a closer expiration date forward so that it sells faster. So usually get things in the back. And also everyone in my family, we love these turkey sticks. It's like jerky, but not really, like dried sausages made from turkey. Really high in protein. This is also lower sodium. That's an amazing snack. Also because when you want something savory, instead of grabbing for a bag of chips, this is a great option, and the whole family loves it. I'm also a huge fan of olives. I love olives. And here in Carrefour, they sell these Greek olives. They're vacuum sealed, and all of them are delicious. I especially love these black olives and green. I usually try, this is a staple, and then I play around with whatever green olives I buy. But this is my favorite. Also, one thing I look for and something that I avoid is refined sugar. So I avoid it as much as possible. I also avoid refined oils. So I usually go for highest quality extra virgin olive oil as much as I can. And just all less processed food. So usually as whole foods as possible. Here in Poland, I've discovered the most delicious smoked salmon I've ever tried. Like, I've lived in the US, but I've never tried salmon as fresh as this one. And it's only this brand here. The Movi Norwegian smoked salmon, the best. Like, if you've never tried it and if they sell it in your Carrefour, please give it a try. No better smoked salmon. Trust me. Also, what I discovered here, so Sunlucar, they are They bring the fruits and vegetables from Slar. I don't really like all of their fruits and vegetables. However, their oranges are out of this world. It's like you're drinking orange juice, but only their oranges and only oranges from their brand. So yeah, if you have it available, please give it a try. Delicious. I love nuts and seeds, and here I usually buy these pumpkin seeds that are raw pumpkin seeds, and they're just so delicious to snack on, just to my favorite. This I love, also love sunflower seeds. I'm gonna get both actually. Pretty much it. I just wanted to film this video to share my values when it comes to shopping, grocery shopping, and to give you a little recap. It's usually just always read the ingredients. The less ingredients, the better. Read the labels. Secondly, always opt for whole foods as much as possible, less processed foods. Avoid refined oils, avoid refined or added sugar if you can. And always reach for the things in the back if you can when it comes to dairy or eggs, because it's going to be the freshest always. Pretty much that's it. And I don't know about you, but let me know if you love grocery shopping too, if you find it therapeutic rather than a chore like I do. I really want to know if anyone else is like that, but I'm pretty sure there are people like that. Although there are some people who just prefer to order things online, which I also really much understand. But yeah, hope you found this helpful in some way or another. And I'll see you in the next one.